Good morning, gang. This is the last night in France. This morning we're heading back into the Black Forest in order to take the route south to Switzerland, and we'll be in Steckelberg. No, not Steckelberg. We're going to be in a Strasbourg. Nope, that's France. I'll have to figure it out and put it in the comments. I get lost sometimes. Yesterday was incredible, and I will post a video about it as soon as I assemble all of the data from the ride that I took. Because, yeah, I rode in the day when everybody else decided to stick around town and shop. I wanted to show you over my shoulders just how many motorcycles are here at this hotel. Notice how old it is. It's from the 1700s. And all the bikes, there's very few Harleys. Most of them are BMWs and Teneras. Just a really wonderful group of motorcyclists stay at this hotel. And we are just off the plaza in the town of Ribeauville, Ribeauville. My French sucks. Anyway, great dinner last night. So we're going to be hitting the road here after breakfast and off and running yet again. Thanks for watching. So we're stopping here for some real Black Forest cake in the middle of the Black Forest at this mill on this street. And obviously a venue for people who want to get married. And I'm having a blast in the mountain roads. We stopped here for lunch in the middle of the fields, in the middle of a nature preserve where you can bring your kids and they can play soccer, or they can go on the swings, or on the video I'll post on the seesaw, which is definitely not a US seesaw. Here we are though. If you look, it's just been stunningly beautiful. Now the only problem we got is clouds are moving in, and towards the direction we're headed, it's getting a little, there's a couple of thunder boomers up there. I heard thunder a minute ago. So it'll be real interesting to see how the rest of the day goes. Talk to you soon, gang. Bye.